services. And it provide services in travel industry, and this is the website where you can see that here you can book a ticket directly from this page, and you can also book a hotel, cruise, and all type of travel and tour services where you can book from this source. You can select a direction, date. Here you can see the tourist details, and here children details, and find the here as per your requirement tours, hotel, and excursions. Here you can see that multiple direction, and especially you can book in a Russia, and here you can go easy way. This is the destination, and also you can find some details about this website from this social media. And also it gives multiple benefits, reliable plan, and comfort prices, so you can book a ticket cheap and best price.